Getting a checksum or CRC error in WinRAR usually means the archive data is damaged or incomplete. Don't worry, there are a few things you can try before giving up on the files. In this guide, I'll show you the most useful fixes, step by step. First, make sure you're using the latest version of WinRAR. As of 2026, WinRAR 7.23 is available, and recent releases include important bug and security fixes. So open WinRAR, check your version, and update it if you're running an older release. Next, test the archive before trying to extract everything. Open WinRAR, select the damaged archive, and choose Test from the Tools menu. This helps confirm whether the archive itself contains corrupted data and can also help identify a damaged volume. If the archive has a recovery record, WinRAR may be able to repair the damaged data. Right-click the archive, choose WinRAR, then select Repair Archive. Choose whether the archive is RAR or zip when prompted, and start the repair. Yeah, this won't work for every damaged archive, but it's worth trying when recovery information is available. If you're working with a multi-part archive, check every part carefully. A missing or corrupted volume can cause errors during extraction. Keep all parts in the same folder and make sure the file names are complete. If one part was damaged during download, getting that specific part again may solve the problem. If repair doesn't work, the original download may simply be incomplete or corrupted. Delete or move the damaged copy, then download the archive again from a trusted source. If the website provides checksums or file hashes, compare them with your downloaded file before extracting it. This can save you a lot of time. If the archive still fails after a fresh download, look for another copy or a backup. WinRAR's recovery features can improve the chances of recovering partially damaged RAR archives, but they cannot guarantee that every corrupted file will be restored. So the best order is simple. Update WinRAR, test the archive, try repair, check every volume, and re-download the file if necessary. And if the data is important, always keep a second copy. That way, one corrupted archive doesn't mean losing everything.